Yeah, my name is Mr. Paojakhup Guite, and I'm the president of Kuki Students Organization, Delhi and NCR.
Why was the press conference there?
Yeah, press conference is primarily organized in protest against the recent CM Biren Singh's audio clip that's gone viral, wherein he claimed that he was the one who perpetrated this violence or this conflict in Manipur. He himself said, I am the only chief minister ever in the state of Manipur who started this kind of this sort of violence just to protect the identity of Métis. My question is, who targeted or who targets this community called Métis, that the chief minister is trying to launch a violence on the pretext of saying that I am protecting the identity of Métis? This is a big question. Who target them? Who is trying to target them? Nobody else. So what is the main agenda behind this? There must be something.
दो साल हो गया मणिपुर में प्रॉब्लम क्या?
Two years.
2 years.
Yeah, it's been 16 months now.
अभी क्या उसमें क्या बदलाव हुआ है? कुछ फर्क पड़ा है पहले से?
Yeah, we haven't got any response from the center. It's been 16-17 months now. So it's very unfortunate that the center has not paid any attention at all to the situation that is going on in the state of Manipur. It's very unfortunate that now the center has to pay attention to this. If at all it wants to bring peace, it has to be preceded by solution. That is what we call justice. Justice in the form of union territory with legislature. That's what we mean by justice or solution. Then only can we have peaceful state in Manipur.
मणिपुर में राहुल गांधी भी गए थे.
Yeah.
आपको लगा कि राहुल गांधी से जाने से कुछ फर्क पड़ा है?
Yeah. Even Gandhi came before the Lok Sabha election and he discovered that Manipur was divided into two parts, which was actually bifurcated by buffer zones. Buffer zones bifurcated two territories, Métis in the valley areas and the hill part by the Kuki communities. That itself or those themselves show that these two identities or these two ethnic groups, Métis and Kukis, have been separated in everything, in every walks of life, be it administration, demographically, anything, everything. They have been separated. The only thing that's left is officially. They have to be officially separated. That's the only thing that's left behind now.
Cái này chú làm cái tiền này chú police on em mình ta về ít tiền rồi ta
बोल दूंगा ये अलाउ कर देंगे फिर अब ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन में है ना हाँ
अभी तो क्लियर हो गया ना जो तूने भाई जी ये मैं धन्यवाद
संविधान से हम